You definitely get characters like this in all sports.
Sorry, I'm late. Just got out of quarantine. What Margaret are we on? You know, Court? Now the real pen.
Margaret Court. Retired tennis player from Australia. I know my stuff.
Pandemic is. These casual blow-ins that come in every January, book up every bloody court. Eyes open. Got new
Oh, straight away he's come in with a banger. It's just like gym people, isn't it? All of a sudden they all turn up in January, but let's be honest, this guy is probably one of them.
tape on. Costs a bit, but got to spend money to make money, you know? Ready for takeoff.
This is going to be stop-start because there's loads of little bits. How effective is KT tape? If anyone is a physio or anything along those lines, let me know. Is KT tape actually useful? All the top stars seem to wear them, don't they? That is satisfying.
Love the smell of fresh balls in the evening. Tell you what. Let's do it. There you go. Do you know what compound it is? No, it will matter because I'll change my shoes, all right? When was the last time they...
Basically, this character is a guy that thinks he's better than he is and maybe plays once a week, if that. But everything he does, he is an expert at. We watched this version of Lawn Bowls, same sort of character, who is the expert. But is he really? It is not going to make a difference what surface, or what compound, should I say, the surface is made up of.
They bagged it. Swish and flick, Wingardium Leviosa. They used to call me the net monster.
The net monster.
Look up some pretty crook shit on the internet, but works for tennis too, you know. Oh, all right, yep. You're like, I'm pretty quick, I can get it back, but if you could just keep it. I don't want to stretch too far before we play. Yeah, that'll do. 15-30. It's 30 all. Heck. Yeah, right. Oh. Is that long? All right. Wait till you serve, mate. Oh.
You won't get any of them.
Oh. Just long. Just there. Oh. Yeah, all right, all right. Okay, yeah, he's got a good serve, all right, he's got a good serve. But, you know, you're getting him back. Take it early, all right? On his second serve, attack it.
The problem is, if I relate this to me, all right, I don't have this sort of cockiness that I know everything with tennis. Other sports I possibly do. But I'm probably as good as this guy. I'm not very good at tennis. It looks easy, doesn't it? It looks so easy, but if I ever hit the tennis ball, it, you know, flies over the outside fence. I don't know how they make it look so easy, but that is the thing with top quality sportsmen and women, is that they make it look easy. I am as good as this guy. Rubbish.
Oh my God, you're so shit. Oh, Slice, put it away. Put it away! Hitting him pretty flush, aren't you? For a number two. Big mistake.
This is me. It's the same as badminton as well. When it's there to fire and it just goes straight down into the net and you think, oh, it was there on a plate for me. What's his name? Nick Kyrgios?
Yeah. All right. Your serve? I actually did test positive for a killer first serve. I got guts from my mains, syntho for my crosses, just like Roger Federer, you know?
Yeah, great.
What are you doing after the tennis?
Can you just serve?
The problem with guys like this, and I will say guys because it is predominantly guys that do it, is they have no sort of awareness of their surroundings and what other people's facial expressions are saying and doing. Completely oblivious. Completely oblivious. You know, this is the type of character, and as I said, this is just a character being portrayed for this. But they are still in every sport. You get this in every sport. And these people, they're in their own world. They, you know, they've got blinkers on and they're in their own world. And, you know, this is typical. In this scene, you know, this woman, she's almost giving an inch and this guy takes a mile.
Oh, I got it. Oh, yours.
You were such a it! So I'm gonna go wide.
Cover your mouth so they don't see you. You said
Probably
I
deserved
formation. Yeah. Cheers. Waste of a Wednesday night.
It's so funny because, as I said, you know, this character can be put into any sport, and it is, you know, everyone knows someone like that. If you're a sportsman or woman, you probably know someone like that. And if you don't know someone like that, it's you. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.